students, I am Renu Joshi, your English teacher. Now we are starting a fresh topic, that is the noun number. So what is the noun number? Noun can be singular or plural depending on the number of things. Like when we are talking about one place, one animal or one thing, so that is a singular number. But when we talk about more than one thing, so it is all the plural number, plural nouns. So what are these? Basically there are some rules like to form from singular to plural. So there are some rules, so we will learn about one by one three rules. So the first rule is singular noun generally makes their plural by adding s. So there are some words for which we generally makes their plural by adding s only. What are these? Like the balloon and the doll. So here simply we are just adding s, as you can see here. And the another one is in some nouns ending in a hissing sound, like you can also see their hissing sound. What are these hissing sound? S, double s, sh, ch and x. So these all are called the hissing sound. And when noun ending in the hissing sound, like batch, match, class, bus, so what we do was simply add es to the last to the word. Like you can see here, batches, matches, classes, buses, we simply adding es there. So this is the process. Like now the third one, in some noun ending in o, double o, eo, io and s only to form their plurals. So what we do is simply add s there for making them plural. Like the photo, zoo, at the last we are having a double o there. So what is the what we doing to making it plural? We're simply adding s there. Now we are if I'm talking about the buffalo, the potato, what we doing? We are simply adding es there. So this is the way how we make the singular to the plural one. Now it comes the fourth point. In some noun ending in f, r, fe, so what we do? We simply drop f, r, fe and add v, e, s for making it plural. Like you can see here, loaf and the thief, it is ending with the f, and what we are doing? Simply replacing f with the ves, replacing f with the ves. So this is the way how we converting singular into the plural one. Now there are some words like roof, dwarf, simply adding s. So this is the another situation where we simply how we convert singular into the plural one. Now in some nouns ending in y but having a consonant before y changes to ies to form plural. And what are the consonant? Like I have already give the knowledge about the consonant and the vowel. When we are talking about the vowels, what are these? The vowels are a, e, I, o, u. So these are the vowels, and except that all letters are the consonant. So if in some nouns ending in y but having a consonant before y, changing to ies to form their plural. If any words having y and before that word it is having a consonant, like I am giving the example of that. Here you can see there is a word baby, it is ending with the y, but before that it is having a consonant because b is a consonant. So it is converting from y to ies for making it plural. So these are the word baby, lady, story. So what we are doing here, simply removing y and adding ies for making it plural. So this is the another noun, how we converting from singular to plural. In some other nouns ending in y having a vowel, like it was all about the consonant, but now I'm talking about the vowel. What is the rule when we are having a vowel before the end of the word? Like before the y we are having a vowel here. So what we do, we simply add s there. So I have already make you clear two things. The thing is that before y, if it is a consonant, so simply we add ies in that place. But before by, if it is a vowel, so what we do, simply adding s there. So this is the two rules for making I and IES before consonant and the vowel. Now sixth one is the plural of some nouns are formed by changing one or more vowels in them. Like if some words having two vowels at a time, like the foot, it is having two double O vowel here. So what we are converting it from foot to feet, man to men. So that is the also way how we convert from singular to plural. The seventh one is some plural form of nouns are totally different from the singulars. Like you can see here, child and mouse. Here in child we are adding REN and it will pronounce children. And the mouse, we converting it, if we are having number of mouses there, we say mice, not mouse. So now here you can see there are some words, a few words like deer, sheep and fish are the same in the plural as in the singular. Like if these are having more than one number, so we are not adding anything to make it plural. We simply, it is same as the singular, it is same as the plural. And some like the accommodation, scenery, advice, information, news, furniture, luggage, machinery, physics, mathematics, politics, and these all have no plurals. These all having only singulars, whether it is for the in the plural form. So some noun are always use the plural, they are not used in the singular number. What are these? The name of a certain articles like the dress, trouser, pants, drawers, shorts, and noted that the lower portion of some of these dresses articles is divided into the two parts, so that we use the plural always for that. Name of certain tools are articles, scissors, chairs and spectacles. So these are the also tools which having the plural form. C, the name of certain diseases like the measles, mumps. Name of certain games, billiards. So this is a which always have the plural form of there. So that is enough for the today. Now I will come with another topic. Just do the work which I've already sent you in the group, and I'll catch you in our another class. Thank you everyone.